Today we're going to look at profile switching. So if you're not aware, Gentoo sets up different profiles which sets up defaults. So the standard one which you use, or which we're using AMD 64 target, is default Linux AMD 64 17.1, and that's basically one if you're just running a server type system, headless, no desktop or anything like that. But then you can also use ones like the hardened ones which enable new flags and settings to make the system a little more secure. Desktop, which enables all the features that a desktop user needs, and highly recommended if you're running a desktop that you run a desktop profile. There's a standard one for most desktops or window managers, and then you've got one for GNOME and Plasma, which obviously do things like that. Do things more in tune for those desktop environments because they're a bit bigger. You can also switch between System D and OpenRC, which are a bit deeper and not really suitable for this video. We're just going to do a basic one, which is just switching from a standard profile to a desktop profile today, because profile changing isn't something you can just do on a whim. It's something you need to plan. So let's take a look. At the moment, as you can see on the system, we are using a default Linux AMD 17.1, and we want to switch that to default Linux 17.1 desktop down there. So to do that, we'll just see that it's got the number 5 there, so we just type in eSelect profile set and then the number 5. Now what you can also do here is default Linux AMD 64 17.1 desktop, and it does the same thing. So you've got basically the thing of what you want to do. Now if we did an emerge TV DU at world, oh I forgot I'm using the American keyboard at the moment. Yeah, switch that. You can see now that we've got all the different stuff that we're going to use, like it's going to add PNG support, JPEG support, movie support. It's also going to add GTK and Qt5 support down there. Now you might find that you only want to use GTK stuff, so in that case you would do nano/etc portage make config, and down the bottom just do change use equals minus Qt5 PT. Let's go for a little bit of distro tube there, might get rid of him apparently. T5. Oh my good god, I need to fix this keyboard layout out. Right, after you finish laughing at me, and I will set Qt4 for the 5th time. Okay, now if we do the pretend emerge again, you can see now that I've removed all the Qt support because we don't need it. That's basically how you switch from a normal profile to a desktop profile. The most common one you want to do. Any other type of one, you need to stop and think what you're doing. This one's a bit more, you're only changing use flags really. So yeah, good luck with this one, and let me know how you get on. Keep compiling.